Yeah, I'll do one more. Oh, oh, oh. It's like I'm always fishing for my phone. Always fishing. Hey Health Nuts, happy 2018. I am so excited. It is a brand new year. It is the perfect time of the year to start new habits, start living your best life ever. And if you're new to my channel, hi guys, I'm Nicole and I share healthy recipes, lifestyle and wellness tips. And I basically just like to share all the things that I'm doing in my life with you guys and hopefully inspire you guys to live healthier, eat better, and feel amazing. So for today's video, to launch 2018, we are doing an epic 5 ingredient smoothies 5 different ways, because you guys are always asking me for more smoothie recipes. Because if you follow me on Instagram stories, you know I basically make a green smoothie every single day. Sometimes I mix it up and I don't always put greens if I'm out, but I wanted to share some options for you guys who maybe are new to smoothies. You're not ready to do like full-on green salad blended up into a smoothie type of smoothies. I gave some really tasty options that are also full of nutrients, vitamins, vegetables, lots of healthy benefits to fill your body with. Before I hop in, I want to quickly remind you guys to join the Health Nut newsletter in a nutshell. I will have a link down below. It's filled with discounts, exclusive content, and my monthly favorites, as well as a recap of everything that happened the previous month, so you don't miss out on any Health Nut videos. So don't forget to sign up. It's totally free. I'll have a link down below. And if you missed January's issue, then just DM me on Instagram. Just send me a direct message and I will add you to the list and send you January's issue so you do not miss out, because they're really fun and you guys have been sending me your screenshots every time you receive your newsletters in your inbox, and it's really cool. So without further ado, let's get into blending some delicious smoothies, shall we? For the first smoothie, we are bringing back a childhood favorite, peanut butter and jelly. You will need frozen strawberries, chia seeds, natural peanut butter, a ripe banana, and unsweetened coconut milk. You can really use any milk that you like, but I really like coconut. In a high-speed blender, start with your liquid first. This will just help everything blend together really smooth and easily. Add in the rest of the ingredients and blend until smooth. In case you're interested, I will link the exact blender that I'm using down below in the info box. I actually love this one because there's a setting that you can set for smoothies. So I just set it and walk away in the morning and my smoothie is perfectly smooth every time. Transfer into a tall glass. Optional, you can drizzle on some peanut butter and salted peanuts for crunch. Pop in a straw and drink up. Smoothie number 2 is my mango sunrise. For this smoothie, you'll need a carrot, frozen mango, banana, lemon juice, and unsweetened coconut milk. And then in a blender, add in all of your ingredients, starting with the liquid first. Blend until smooth. Transfer into a tall glass, and there you have a delicious and refreshing morning smoothie. This one is perfect for cold and flu season since it's packed with vitamin C. For my third smoothie, I'm making a detox smoothie, which is very green, but I promise still tasty. You will need kale, cucumber, cilantro, banana, and some water. Add in all your ingredients into a high-speed blender, starting with the liquid, and blend until everything is nice and smooth. I promise the banana is gonna mask all the greens in the smoothie, but optional, you can also just add in a medjool date if you want it a little bit sweeter. Pop in a straw and drink up. Smoothie number 4 is my antioxidant smoothie, which is filled with rich colored foods that are so good for you. For this one, you'll need some Swiss chard, frozen berries, steamed or raw beetroot, banana, and unsweetened coconut milk. Add everything into your blender and blend until creamy smooth. You may think I'm crazy by adding beetroot into the smoothie, but I promise it blends right in, the banana will mask it, and you get some extra veggies in your smoothie. Transfer into a tall glass and say goodbye to those free radicals. Last but not least, and this one is Chloe's favorite, this is my mint chocolate chip smoothie. You will need fresh mint, of course, chocolate chips. You can also use cacao or carob chips, avocado, banana, and unsweetened coconut milk. You're going to add in all of your ingredients, starting with the liquid, except for the chocolate chips. We're gonna add those a bit later. Also, I froze my avocado to make this smoothie extra creamy and cold. Blend everything up until nice and smooth. Once everything is blended, you can go ahead and sprinkle in the chocolate chips. Then you just want to pulse it until it kind of just breaks up into the smoothie. So you still get it dispersed throughout the smoothie, but you have that crunchy texture when you're drinking it. Transfer into a tall glass, and for this one, you want to maybe get a thicker straw so you can actually get the little chocolate chips come through when you're drinking it. I sprinkled a couple extra on top just because. This one may taste like dessert, but I promise it's going to keep you full with those healthy fats from the avocado. All right guys, there you have it. 5 ingredient smoothies, 5 different ways. Honestly, smoothie making has never been easier. It does not have to be this complicated thing of like 20 different superfoods and powders into your smoothie. They can be really simple and basic and still full of nutrients that will fill you up and keep you energized for the entire day. I swear by smoothies. I feel like they help balance my blood sugar. They help keep me full and satiated throughout the day. And I find when I drink a green smoothie in the morning, I'm less likely to crave junky, sweet foods throughout the day. So they really do make a difference. And it's just amazing. It's like a multivitamin in a drinkable glass. Give it a try. Try drinking 1 smoothie every single day for the whole month of January and let me know how you feel. I would love to know the results. And if you aren't already subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that red button down below. We are so close to 300,000 subscribers on my channel, which is really, really cool. I can't believe how big the Health Nut family is getting. And all of your avocado emojis in the comments on my YouTube videos are seriously making my day. Every time I read them and see them, I love that that's like the new emoji mascot for Health Nut Nutrition. So thank you so much for the support and love. I'm so excited for the start of a brand new year. It's the perfect time to create new habits, feel amazing. Let's make 2018 honestly the best year yet. I'm also working on my own personal goals with managing my anxiety and stress levels and hormonal issues that I have. I've been starting to see a naturopath, and I'm actually seeing this month a hypnotherapist. So really exciting. I'm excited to share with you guys like my journey and the results. I know a lot of you guys have asked me about that, how my anxiety managing is going, and I know a lot of people deal with it as well. So I definitely want to share more about that on my channel here. So stay tuned. I have so many exciting videos and recipes coming up in the new year, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Mwah. Have a wonderful beginning of 2018, and I wish you guys all the best on your health journeys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.